Bell Vega channel, and I'm going to show you how to do a how to install Visual Studio basically, and show you how to program the basic stuff to use CC Plus. So now let's go. First, you go to Visual Studio, then we're going to see which one we want to use. If you want to use this one, Visual Studio, there's a Mac version if you want to install it. Since I do not have Mac, I have Windows and my computer and my PC, basically. Not my computer, PC, basically. So I'm going to install the professional one. It does, it's just going to install the Visual Studio. It's downloaded, install it, everything. We can use it, and this is how it looks like. Now we need to decide what we what what we can use or which one we want to use. So basically I'm going to use this desktop development with CC plus, C plus. Then I'm going to use let me think. Use the mobile one since I want CC plus game development, which some of my class does require me. It doesn't require, but I prefer to do the gaming since my teacher do some type of way like us doing gaming. It's okay. That's my notification. Just ignore that sound from the background. Also, but for now, I'm going to install those three. So it take a lot of minutes to get this installed and get ready. So CC plus, easy way to learn how to program. Like I would say to learn how to program CC plus. I would say this is how it looks like the Visual Studio 2019. I'm going to I reset my computer. It reset my computer when you download it, and also to get Visual Studio, I use my school account, and to be able to using this using Visual Studio and be able to program it. Since I'm a student, this is how it looks like. What I didn't show you guys. I forgot to videotape that part, so I'm going to show you really quick what I did. Put add new item, then put CC plus. I'm going to add it either way. I'm going to delete it, the other one. Um, let's see. I just copied this. No, no, I'm going to keep going. No, I'm going to keep going. Right here, I'm going to delete it, remove it, delete it. There. Then I'm going to go and keep going. Okay.